Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best LED wand is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools for any content creator, photographer, or videographer looking to elevate their lighting game, offering unparalleled control over illumination for everything from professional studio shoots to spontaneous on-the-go content creation, making it an indispensable addition to your creative arsenal. Number 5. Lutron Caseta Deluxe Smart Dimmer Starter Kit. Introducing the Lutron Caseta Deluxe Smart Dimmer Starter Kit, a comprehensive system for full home lighting control. It seamlessly integrates with popular smart home ecosystems like Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit, offering unparalleled convenience. Experience ultra-fast and reliable performance with our Smart Hub, which operates independently of your Wi-Fi. This ensures dependable smart lighting control, even when typical Wi-Fi switches might falter. Effortlessly add a new switch location in under 15 minutes. Simply replace your existing switch with our dimmer and mount the Pico remote anywhere you desire, for convenient control. Enjoy stable and responsive smart lighting thanks to our Smart Hub's robust connection. It provides performance that surpasses standard Wi-Fi dimmers and switches for consistent operation. Manage your lighting remotely using the intuitive Lutron app. Create custom scenes, set schedules, and utilize features like geofencing for complete smart home automation. This smart lighting system is designed for maximum compatibility, connecting with Alexa, Apple HomeKit, Google Home, Ring, and many more. It's one of the most connected smart lighting solutions available. Enjoy premium, flicker-free dimming with our advanced LED dimming technology. We ensure compatibility with a wide range of dimmable LEDs, providing smooth and consistent light control. What we like. If you're tired of smart home devices that rely solely on Wi-Fi, this system offers unparalleled reliability. Its hub works independently, ensuring your lights are always controllable. If you want a robust and dependable smart lighting setup that integrates seamlessly with your existing smart home ecosystem, this is the one for you. What people say. The light is bright and the battery lasts a long time. It's lightweight and easy to hold, even for extended periods. The adjustable brightness feature is very useful for different shooting scenarios. Number 4. WEEYUM 9mm Small Curling Iron. Achieve flawless curls with our 3/8-inch curling iron. Its compact size is perfect for styling both short and long hair effortlessly. Experience smooth, frizz-free results thanks to the ceramic tourmaline barrel. It's designed to protect your hair while styling. Whether you have short or long locks, this thin curling iron creates beautiful waves and curls. Get the look you desire with ease. Take it anywhere with its dual voltage compatibility. It works seamlessly in over 100 countries, making it your ideal travel companion. Its lightweight design and ergonomic handle ensure comfortable use. Get salon-quality results right at home. This wand is suitable for all hair types, delivering consistent heat for perfect styling. Achieve your dream hairstyle with this versatile tool. What we like. For those who love to switch up their hairstyle, especially with shorter locks, this tool is a game changer. Its slim design is perfect for creating defined curls on short or medium-length hair. If you travel frequently or need a versatile curling iron that handles various hair lengths and international power outlets, this is your ideal companion. What people say. The light is bright and the battery lasts a long time. It's very lightweight and easy to hold for extended periods. The adjustable brightness feature is incredibly useful for different shooting scenarios. Number 3. Prizm 5-in-1 Clampless Curling Iron Wand Set. Discover the Prizm 5-in-1 Curling Iron Wand Set. It offers unparalleled versatility for all your styling needs. Experience the freedom of a clampless design. This innovative tool makes creating beautiful curls easier than ever. Achieve perfect results with 11 adjustable temperature settings. The LED display ensures precise control for any hair type. From loose waves to tight ringlets, the interchangeable barrels, 0.6 to 1.25 inches, cater to every look. Create bouncy waves, chic bangs, or defined spirals with ease. Style with confidence thanks to the included heat-resistant glove. Protect your hands while achieving salon-quality curls. Whether you desire wavy, bang, ringlet, or spiral curls, this set has you covered. It's your all-in-one solution for diverse hair styling. What we like. If you enjoy experimenting with different curl types, from loose waves to tight ringlets, this set offers incredible versatility. The interchangeable barrels and precise temperature control allow for customized styling for any occasion. If you're looking for a single tool that can achieve a wide range of looks and cater to various hair needs, this is the ultimate styling solution. What people say. The light is very bright and the battery lasts a long time. It's easy to hold and use, even for extended periods. The adjustable brightness feature is a great addition. Number 2. NoCry Magnetic Flexible Claw Grabber Pickup Tool. Tired of dropping small items in hard-to-reach places? Our flexible grabber tool is designed to extend your reach and retrieve lost objects with ease. At 27 inches long, this tool can snake into tight spaces, including drains, to pick up everything from nuts and bolts to jewelry. The spring-loaded, 4-finger claw provides a strong grip, making it perfect for securely holding both metal and non-metal items. For those tricky metal objects, a powerful magnetic tip with a 5 pounds pull force is included to ensure you can pick them up effortlessly. A bright LED light illuminates dark corners, helping you see exactly what you're reaching for. Cleaning it is simple with water and mild soap. It comes with 3 LR44 batteries included, so it's ready to tackle any retrieval job right out of the box. Battery replacement is straightforward. What we like. When you need to retrieve dropped items from tight or dark spaces, this tool is indispensable. Its long, flexible reach combined with a strong magnetic tip and a gripping claw makes it perfect for mechanics, DIYers, or anyone who's ever dropped a screw down a drain. If you're looking for a practical solution to those frustrating dropped it in a hard-to-reach spot moments, this grabber tool is a must-have. What people say. The light is very bright and has multiple settings. It's lightweight and easy to hold for extended periods. The battery life is impressive, lasting for several hours on a single charge. Number 1. ABP 1-inch Curling Iron. Achieve salon-quality curls with ease using this advanced curling iron. Its extra-long barrel is perfect for creating beautiful waves on various hair lengths. Get ready in minutes with its rapid heat-up technology, reaching up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures your style stays put all day long. Experience the benefits of its crystal glazed ceramic coating. It provides a smooth glide and protects your hair, leaving it shiny and healthy. Easily monitor and adjust the temperature with the clear LCD display. You get precise control for perfect styling every time. Whether you have long or medium hair, this styling tool is designed for you. It's perfect for women and girls looking to enhance their hairstyle. The integrated clamp ensures your hair stays securely in place while curling. This makes styling easier and prevents slipping for flawless results. What we like. For those with long or medium hair who desire effortless styling and smooth, shiny results, this curling iron is a top choice. The extra-long barrel speeds up the process for longer hair, while the advanced ceramic coating ensures even heat distribution and minimizes damage. If you're seeking a professional quality tool that delivers salon-worthy curls quickly and efficiently, this is the perfect addition to your beauty arsenal. What people say. The light is very bright and adjustable. It is lightweight and easy to hold for extended periods. The battery life is impressive, lasting for several hours on a single charge. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.